Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral Garten'S Brownie pudding, so let's get started with the video. In a saucepan over low heat, melt 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Once the butter is melted, pour it into a measuring cup. Then set the butter aside to cool. Next, in a bowl, sift 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of all-purpose flour, and a half a teaspoon of salt. When you're finished, set your dry ingredients to the side. Next, in a large bowl, add 4 room temperature eggs. Then add 2 cups of sugar. Use a stand mixer or an electric mixer to beat the eggs and sugar on medium-high speed for 5 to 10 minutes or until the mixture becomes very thick and light yellow. When you finish beating the eggs and sugar together, scrape the sides of the bowl and then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of Framboise Liqueur, or in other words, raspberry liquor. This is optional though, you don't have to add it if you don't want to. And finally, add your cocoa powder and flour mixture. Then mix everything together only until combined. Next, slowly mix in the melted butter just until combined. When you're finished, set your brownie mixture to the side. Next, grease a baking dish with melted butter. When you're finished, pour the brownie mixture into the baking dish. Use a spatula to spread the mixture evenly throughout the dish. Place the baking dish in a large baking pan. Then pour hot tap water in the pan until it comes halfway up the side of the baking dish. Place the pan in the oven at 325 degrees for 1 hour. Once the brownie pudding is finished baking in the oven, remove it from the water bath and place it on a cooling rack. Then let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy. This is optional, but you can add some powdered sugar and fruit on top as decoration. And this is the finished result. This is what I see everyone doing on TikTok, so I just decided to do it too. It's a little ASMR. I kept seeing this recipe all over TikTok, so of course I had to make it too, and it turned out amazing! The brownie pudding was sweet, moist, and delicious. The recipe was pretty easy to make too. I definitely recommend giving this one a try, especially with some vanilla ice cream, because it is so good. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!